Good morning, students. Welcome back to the class 12 subject accounts, and we have gone with the chapter number 8, accountancy of share capital, accounting of share capital. In that, we have completed our all the answers and entries, but certain entries are remaining of forfeiture and reissue. Then we have to go with the topic as an considering other than cash. This kind of transactions are remaining for our subject. Now, as we have completed 5 questions, different questions, today I am going with the one more question, question number 6. In this, you will see that premium has been taken at every level, so it can be considered as application uh, on issues and on payment. Everything has been mentioned in this topic. Let's begin with the topic one by one. First, we will study the uh, topic. SRCC Limited was registered with a capital of rupees 25 lakh in shares of rupees 10 each. It issues an prospectus inviting application for 25,000 shares at 40% premium payable as on following. Here it has been mentioned application money has been shown. So on application it has been mentioned that 5 rupees it has mentioned including 1 rupee premium. On allotment it has been said 4 rupees. On final call, first call 3 rupees. On second call and final call it says including 1 rupees and 2 rupees. Now it has said that the application were received for 25,000 shares, all duly received and passed necessary journal entries. Before making solution for any question, just make sure that your working note has been completed very thoroughly. So before starting, I'll also do the same thing. I'll start with the working note so that it will be easy for making entries very rapidly. Whatever the terms has been said over here, I'll calculate it according to my terms. So you have to make your own term and make it is very easy and simple. I'll make it as a working note so you can understand what I am trying to do. First of all, it has been said that on application you have to receive 5 rupees. So on application I'll do 25,000 multiplied by 4 and 25,000 multiplied by 1. This much amount has to be received on application. The total of that it will be concluded as 5 rupees. Now you can calculate very easily. 25 into 4 is 100 and 1 2 3. Here you have to receive 1 lakh rupees as an application money, whereas you can go with the particular premium which is 25,000 rupees. This much amount has to be there on application. Now I'll carry forward with the same thing as on allotment. On allotment you will receive the amount of 1 rupees as a premium, but here you will receive 3 rupees on allotment, so your calculation will be 75,000 rupees for the receiving purpose on allotment. Now we are going with the another part which is first call and premium. Here also you will receive 2 rupees respectively and 1 rupees for that particular subscription. Now as you know that your amount is received as 2 rupees, so in 2 rupees your amount will be 50,000 rupees. So 50,000 plus 2500 you have to receive this way. Now if we see on second and final call, it is also said that 1 rupees on premium. So again the concept has to be matched same as it is. Here you will receive 25,000 rupees on final call, 1 rupees as in general share and 1 rupees as a premium. If you calculate everything, you will find that 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is considered as 10 rupees, and it has been said that 40% premium will be there. So if you are saying that 40% premium, it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 rupees will be a premium. You can see that in the content it has been shared that 25,000 shares at 40% premium payable as follow. So if the content has not been mentioned as a premium, what you can do, you can calculate directly 10 rupees multiplied by 40 divided by 100. So you will get 4 rupees additional. And then in that question also it can be said that you have to take all the money on allotment or it has to be taken equally. Equally means how many calls you are having, that calls require that particular amount. Here you can see that on application allotment, first call, final call, everywhere premium has been added. So what we will do, we will start our journal entry. First of all, you should write journal entries in the books of SRCC Limited because it is the book of SRCC Limited. So in this, you can start your journal entry one by one. So let's begin with the first entry. First entry is money receiving. So bank account debit to equity share application account. What will be the amount? The amount we have said that 1,25,000 rupees. Here it has on application 4 rupees as in general application money and 1 rupees as in we can say that 1 rupees as in capital share capital amount. So you have to write here 1,25,000. 1,25,000. 1,25,000. This much entry has been completed. You have to write being. Here I am writing being application money received. You can write according to your perfect terms. I am writing a being as a summary. You can also write as a summary. I have made it a little bit short. You can write it in detail. The detail you write, you will get more and more benefits. Now, second entry is related to getting that money to share capital. Here I am writing equity share application account debit to share capital account, as we are transferring this and you are having a security premium also to security is premium account. Here you can write being application money adjusted and transferred to share capital and premium. You can write being according to your conditions, but it will be better to write from the question itself, so it will be easy to make and being very understandable. So here also the amount will be 1,25,000 for equity share. Now here you have to distribute 1 lakh rupees as an share capital and 25,000 rupees as an your security premium. So you have been understood that first entry has the same entries in it. Now we are carry forwarding with the entry number 3. In entry number 3, it has been mentioned that your application money work has been completed. So I am deleting from here. Now we are going with the allotment. In allotment, it has been mentioned that 4 rupees of allotment, including 1 rupees as a premium. So what I should do, I should make that same entry over here. I'll copy all the content from this way, because entry will be having same value, but the application will become allotment account debit to share capital to security premium, as it has been due and it has been transferred to share capital and premium. What would be the amount? 75,000 plus 25,000 is equal to 1 lakh rupees you are receiving. Write it here, 1 lakh rupees. Now bifurcate that 1 lakh rupees as 75,000 and 25,000 respectively. Then you have to write being for transferring, and after that you will receive amount as money. I am having a computer related topic, so I can copy it, but you have to write entry very carefully. I am using as a laptop here, so it will be easy for me to make it copy paste, but in writing way it is very difficult to make all the entries perfect. So be careful with the writing contains. It is not like that just copy and paste. It is not a computer paper. It is related to your exam content. So you can write it accordingly. Now here you have to write 1 lakh rupees as money has been received. It has been said that the amount, all the amount which has been asked for, it has been received in the question itself when it has said that write the journal entries. So if you see that your application entry allotment entry is also completed, just amount has been bifurcated. Now we are having only and only two more contents. One is related to first call and another is for second call, second and final call, whatever you can say. The amount will be deferred. So I remember this topic, and I have the idea of how much amount has to be mentioned over here, so I am deleting that content. Now I am going with the direct entry. So first thing, you have to make an another transfer entry and then money receiving. So I am just copying paste, so it will be easy for further understanding. So equity share first call, here the entry will be equity share first call account debit to share capital to securities premium. Here the amount will be little bit lesser because it has been said that 3 rupees you have to receive. 3 into 25 will be 75,000 rupees. So 75,000 rupees you will be receiving. Out of that, 50,000 will be transferred to share capital and 25,000 rupees will be transferred to the securities premium. Now in the end you will receive that amount also. So it has been mentioned over here, bank account debit to equity share first call account. Equity share first call account, the amount will you receive as a 75,000 respectively. Again, we are having our last entry. Just make sure that the entries which are you writing, make sure that the entries having that particular being as perfect. Here as you can see that on number 3, application, not application, it has been received on allotment money. The allotment money adjusted and transferred to share capital and premium, and here you have received allotment money. So make sure that all the things which you are writing in the being, it should be relevant. Now here you can see that it is not application money, it is first call money which is adjusted and shared transfer to share capital and premium. Here also you will receive share sorry first call money, first call money received. Now we are into the last phrase of that particular in this particular topic. Again I am copy pasting because it will be easy for me, but entries will having a same content. Here it is not allotment, it will be there as final call, second or final call, whatever you write. I am writing both second and final call account debit. I am having a little bit space problem, so you can make it in a straight line. Sometimes it doesn't happens like that, just enter down, write the sentence and make it debit on the corner side. Here you will be writing as an amount of 50,000 rupees, but you should write on the debit way. Make it sure that wherever you write the debit, in against you have to write the amount. So I am writing on the debit side, you have to receive 50,000 rupees. Out of that 25,000 will be transferred to share capital and 25,000 rupees will be on securities premium. Now you have to write being. In that being you have to make sure that the equity share capital for second and final call money should be adjusted and transferred to share capital and premium. Now here also the entry of receiving money, in that you have to write second and final call account. Here also you can see that the entry which I am writing, the account has been gone down forward. Make sure that the entry whatever you are writing, it has the same number in that particular line. You should make it your amount on that particular line itself. Here I am writing second and final call money received. What is the amount? Amount is 50,000 rupees. Now I am writing that 50,000 rupees in the against of the end of that particular sentence. 50,000 rupees you have received from the bank. This much has been there for your entry. Just look out for the journal entry. If you are having any problem on this entries, please comment back on the status. Now if we are having any question on this particular term, make sure that you will have a question related to cash book account. You need to prepare cash book account if question has been asked. One question has been done for you in the previous lectures. So we will carry forward that also, but in next lecture we will carry forward our next topic known as forfeiture. I'll go with the four features of shares in next video, and I will see you will see me that four features can be done at a part at a premium, and if premium has been paid, how the four feature has been occurred. If premium is not been paid, how the four features is occurred. We will see that, and we will continue with one more question in that particular video itself. and we will start that 4 feature part also. I am going step by step in every level. We have started at the par, premium, discount. We have seen call-in arrays and advance, and then today I am going with the one question which has all the related topics as in securities premium. We have completed that today. In next video, we will go with the next content containing as 4 features. In 4 features, we are having different categories. We will solve it that accordingly, and we will do one sum of 4 feature, which will be simple 4 feature, and then we will go with the advanced one, which is related to paid on premium and not paid premium. We will see it in next video. That's it for today. Thank you.